If your gate doesn't have a frame, don't buy it. Must know this before buying your gate. So listen, any gate built in the world has a frame somehow, 45 or a frame top and bottom. Has to have a frame.
But this has no frame.
Where?
What's here?
This is a fence. Fence doesn't engineer to open and close and have impact or resistance or sagging. A gate does. Has to be rigid, has to have a frame top and has to have a frame on bottom. If a company is pushing you a gate that is relying on slat, so your engineering fails within time.
So it's just gonna.
They'll do
sag,
this.
huh?
You don't have to be smart, just how you just did that.
Yeah, even I got it.
You got it. If he got it, you'll get it. If a gate doesn't have a frame, your gate's gonna be doing this, up and down.
If you want a gate that lasts, buy a Globus Gate with a frame.
A gate with a frame. Oh, you end up like this.
Like this.
And this is our universal system. There you go.
Why is that smaller than the heavy duty one?
So this is smaller because this is for a normal everyday use.
Ah, so my use, not your use.
Not my use. My use is the HD system, used for abuse. But both systems have a frame. Remember what we talked on the other video. If the gate doesn't have a frame, it will look like this. So even our universal system has a frame.
So this is made to withstand the elements and not abuse, and the other one is for the abusers.
Yes, sir. And here it's actually even more interesting. This is actually a laser sheet, and we can laser any design you want. We can even put a picture of you in the sheet.
Oh, I would love that.
So let's
With
go.
the hat.
With the hat and my muscles. It's a more cost-effective gate, but still has a frame, so it won't do this.
So it's built to withstand the elements, but not abuse.
Elements, everyday use, but if you need abuse, you go with the HD system.
Like the little kids that bump their bicycles through it.
Or a soccer ball too. So this gate is phenomenal for everyday use. Remember, it has a frame. If your gate doesn't have a frame, don't buy it, because you end up switching it to Globus Gates anyway. Save that money and go Globus.